Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and this channel is dedicated to technical analysis for crypto and stocks. So today, I would like to discuss Donchian channel, and would like to discuss moving averages for Bitcoin using again Heikin-Ashi candles to discuss the road ahead for Bitcoin. As we can see that Bitcoin has recently broken through its bear market resistance, that is the 200-day moving average, that is marked by the teal line. And ever since the bear market started in 2022, Bitcoin has been not been able to rally beyond this 200-day moving average, which is a simple moving average. But recently in 13th of January, Bitcoin rallied beyond this line, so that this is bullish for Bitcoin's price action. So would like to discuss what could the road ahead look like. So this is a weekly level information of Bitcoin. As you can see, there are three lines drawn on the around the Bitcoin's price chart. The upper line is the 20 weeks worth of upper band of averages, whereas the lower band is the 20 week of lower band of moving average. And also the median bar in orange is the average distance uh, between the two bands. So as you can see that these lines have provided a significant level of resistance immediately for any rally for Bitcoin. As you can see, even if it is bull market, Bitcoin would not do like a vertical ascend beyond these upper bands of this channel, as well as but what Bitcoin would continuously do in its bull market in 2021 is be ahead of the or above the median line. And as you can see, ever since like even in the summer of 2021, when Bitcoin's price dropped considerably, Bitcoin never fell uh, below these bands. And um, and also these bands kind of have like a trailing support, been acting like a trailing support for Bitcoin. Moving to the uh, current movement of or price action of Bitcoin in this new year. Ever since the year started, we have had 3 weeks worth of data, uh, and we have 3 bullish weeks. And you can also see that these bullish weeks have another peculiar characteristics from this momentum candles, that ever since we saw this kind of a trend reversal candle, we didn't really see any break from the bullishness of the rally that we have witnessed in the past 3 weeks. So the chart ahead, or the trajectory ahead for Bitcoin, could take a couple of directions. One which I would like to highlight is in the since the uh, Bitcoin's uh, mini bear market in summer of 2021, um, when Bitcoin started to rally again in the later half of the summer, and the price continued to rally above this median line. um, there was another leg down, and this median line, the price came back to this median line, which currently is at 19,427, while the price of Bitcoin is at 22,700. So we might be seeing a retest of this trailing median line of this Donchian channel. Another direction Bitcoin might take is, I would like to visit the prior market cycle, and especially once the the bottom was kind of in for Bitcoin. You can see that since February of 2019, when sorry, April of 2019, Bitcoin rallied beyond this median bar, and you could see that the upper band of the Donchian channel had a steep decline, and then after this decline, it had like an ascent for the later part of the summer, sorry, early summer or later part of the spring of 2019. So we might see like a similar move of almost like from 4,000 to 12,000, which is like a 4x or 3x move. But at that point, Bitcoin's price was pretty low from compared to this point, which is almost which was compared to its all-time high from 20,000 to almost 4,000, which was almost like an 80% drawdown, more than 80% drawdown for Bitcoin in that cycle. Whereas in this cycle, the drawdowns have been significantly less. You can see from 69,000 to 15 and a half thousand. So that might also kind of taper this rallies considerably. So maybe instead of a 4x, the the rally might be somewhere near 2x, which would culminate at around sometime at some point in 30,000. So just wanted to share that info with you. And if you like this content, do subscribe or like the content of this channel, or search for it using the keyword crypto weeklies. Thank you, and hope you have a really nice weekend ahead. All right.